Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the hell you might be tuning in from. Happy, what is it, Wednesday today? Happy Wednesday, guys. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Let me just make sure the sound and everything is good on my end. Looks good to go as far as I can tell. So I guess we should get into some things, guys. Good morning, Tyler. What's up, full margin trader? Good morning, good morning, good morning. But yeah, guys, so obviously this displacement up is something to reckon, I think. However, if I were to use our handy dandy standard projection tool, this is the only thing that makes me think the price could just keep going lower. And it's that if you draw up the London manipulation and project it down, we've only traded down to the 1 to 1.5. And then you have 2 to 2.5 right here at these lows, getting towards the lows from yesterday. Meanwhile, ES, this is why I wanted to see ES run this. I wanted to see ES run all this out, knowing that NQ is stronger, create that SMT divergence, and then at that point, all systems go for longs. But I got to be honest with you, like seeing this reaction up, seeing the respect from the 4-hour fair value gap, seeing the disrespect from some inefficiencies in here, right? 15, 30 minute, right? Seeing that we're gearing up to inverse these. Looking like it might be wise to, not try to fight what market is showing us, if that makes sense. So I think for right now, I'm going to be a little bit more bullish biased. As long as this holds, I would say I'm bullish biased. So that's where I'm at. Hopefully that all makes sense. Let me know if you guys have any questions on that. Let me know if you guys have any different thoughts. A little bit of an argument, yeah, like I said, can be made for lower, but most recently I feel like this displacement is enough for me to entertain longs. We'll see though. I'm not just going to jump in here. We got news in a few minutes. Might as well let that pass at this point. News in 2 minutes now. Oh boy. Well, guys, how about we hop in long if we inverse this gap? Deal? Deal or no deal? I like it. I'm going to hop into one, guys. Oh, fuck. Trade, sell, stop. Hope I don't get turtle souped here, but... Did we... Stop's gonna go right there. We already traded down to 50% of this wick, so I'm just gonna trim a little bit of that risk off, not have such a big stop. But yeah, longing the inverse of this gap here is the idea. But yeah, guys, in long, in at 983 and 3/4. Stop at 961 and a quarter. We'll see about adding to this bitch. But yeah, man, taking it up to at least this first high is what I'd like to. It's what I'd like to do. It's like an 86-point move, so even if I only have to ride just one contract, that would still be, you know what I mean? That'd be all right. That neon sign hanging outside that bar should have said go home if you know what's good for your heart. 1700 TP 450 risk. I like it, guys. I do. I like that. I like that risk reward there. All right, here's what I'm thinking. If we come down, I don't want to buy the first initial entry into the gap. I want to see if we if we soup that. So like in a subsequent candle, if we could soup this into this gap, I probably will add one contract. Okay, guys, this low is about to get taken. Not gonna add like to it right away, like just add below the low, but I want to see, you know, trade below it and then come back up, maybe close it back above it. Then I think I'll do it. I think I'll do it. Okay, guys, went ahead and added to it. Therefore, now I can partial. So I'm going to partial above these newly engineered levels of buy side. You know? There we go, guys. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and remove our risk. Hope you guys, if you took a more than one there, be able to partial. See if we can leave this gap. See if we can leave this gap behind and respect it. But yeah, guys, took a partial off. Risk is virtually removed at this point. I'd say if we inverse this gap, I'll just close it with my hard stop being at the new low. But notice how easier being able to partial makes your life. The trick is, how can you fucking add positions without totally blowing out your leverage, right? Like, to be honest, that trade, when I added to it, after my average fill got slightly moved up, you got to think, I was probably 900 risk, which is over 0.5%, which is more than what I usually like, so. Only if we inverse the gap will I close. Otherwise, I will let it hit this stop. I'm thinking it's only a little over 5 points. No, I'm sorry, 6 points. You know what I mean? I only wanted to see one soup of the low. I don't want to see fucking 6. I want to see 6 soups. Okay, guys, I'm gonna just let me give it a second here. Give it a second here. I didn't close it yet. I didn't close it yet. All right, now I closed it. Just gave it a second there, see if it was gonna pop up. So I gave back like 1 point or whatever. Maybe 2. Maybe 2 points. Maybe fucking 2 points. Okay. But yeah, I'm out right there for the time being. We could always hop back in. We could always hop back in. I don't think this move's done. But let's not discount the fact that we generated buy side and swept it. Look at this fucking sweep, guys. Look at that fucking sweep. Am I really gonna be bullheaded and try to force it to go up if it don't want to go up? I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to do that. You know? God, guys, that is fucking heavy on that candle here. Boy, oh boy. 15-minute candle closes here in a minute. 30-minute candle as well. Sheesh. I don't know, boys. You know, the other, well, there's that displacement. I was going to say, and now we'll see, but I was going to say the other possibility was like, do we just sweep this low and go back up? Is that going to go on? Is that what's going to happen here? This 15-minute fair value gap? You know, how much do we believe in the market maker buy model, boys? I don't know. I got to say this, though. I think this is awfully menacing. I won't lie to you. I won't lie to you. That's kind of making me not want to long that. Clear manipulation here, right? Projecting that down, that does bring the 2 to 2.5 down here. I think I'm going to wait for this next macro. See if we can get something. I'm pretty torn right now. I don't know. I can see both ways. None's really clear. No SMT at the high here. Or at the low. Really? I don't know. Nothing really is giving me a a whole lot of confidence, I guess. I think if somebody had a gun to my head though right now, and I had to pick, do I think we hold here and go lower, or do we inverse all this and keep going higher? Gun to my head, what would I do? I would say, honestly, honestly, I think I'd say lower. If I had to pick, good thing I don't have to pick, but if I had to pick, I would think that I think ES is ready for these lows. That's what I think. Maybe I'm wrong, but because I'm not sure, that's why I'm not doing it. I'm not gonna touch anything for now. Tell you what, I'm gonna short on a different account. I don't want to give back my profits. I got a fresh 150K top step X account that has yet to be touched here, so I'm gonna short on this account. Okay, I'm gonna put my stop here above this fair value gap, risking 660. TP is gonna be, I guess, either this low or I guess if ES beats us down. Beats us down. Yeah, she beats us down, boys. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna hop out. I'm gonna hop out of that. Wow. I'm only gonna short on this account today. I'm not shorting on the other one. This will be my shorting account. Do I dare attempt it again though? Yeah, probably. Probably gonna attempt another short here if we get into the 30-second gap. On this account, if we inverse all this, I'm going back to my other account. I'm longing. Just FYI.
Order filled.
Hopped in.
Order filled.
Probably just gonna hop out early again. Minus 620 on that. Probably. Oh, maybe I should just full port this combine today. I kid. Kinda, not really. No, I shouldn't do that. I won't full port it. Come on. But I will short again, maybe. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah.
Order
all right,
filled.
guys. One last short. I said I wasn't gonna short again, but I lied to you. I fucking lied right to your face. Because I'm short. Because here I am. Shorting one more time on this account. It's my shorting account for the day, I guess. And the other account is my longing account. The longing account is in profit. This account is not. But wow. When you... I don't know. But yeah. Officially last long. Or I'm sorry. Last short. I mean, we're in the macro for fuck's sake. This 1 minute is awfully deceiving. We're shifting back and forth. I never should have closed this short, apparently. Never did hit where my stop was. Protected what I would have wanted to see become protected high if we enter a sell side of the curve here. Basically, a lot of word salad to say. Here we go. But, yeah, just got awfully rangy after we took out that generated buy side. About a minute left on this macro. Honestly, bro, I'm just gonna fucking... I'm risk-free on this. No, I take that back. That's naughty. That's bad habits of me. I'm not gonna do that. I was gonna just say, let me just make back what I lost and be done. ES... Yeah, we should continue through this. I was gonna say there's SMT here, but I think it should fail. Not gonna do that. Gonna stick to my plan, Tyler. Quit being a fucking bad boy today. You're being naughty. You're fucking... What are you doing? Fucking acting like an empty shell of yourself right now. But I tell you what, as soon as this dings, then I'm out. Okay? I'm just, to be honest with you, I'm kind of just sick of being in trades. Kind of just sick of trading today. Too much thinking, too much second guessing. Not the best.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out. After all of that fucking bullshit, we're up 600 on the account, baby. Come on. Let's go. Can you believe it, folks? Never should have closed this one. Damn. I'd be up even more. What an idiot. What a loser. Kind of a roller coaster today. Profits early on with the longs. Couple losses trying to short. Just should have... Moral of the story is I just should have waited for the macro like I originally said, and then just for whatever reason ignored the fact that that was my thought process. Got enticed. It happens. I got enticed in. I fell for it. But the other thing is too, keep in mind my original short was actually like right here, right? And my stop loss was above this fair value gap candle. So technically, the only reason I got fucked, I fucked myself just by closing my position. If I just never touched it after placing the trade, we would have been one win for the long, one win for the short. After a lot of drawdown, or a lot of drawdown and chop, but still would have been there. So I guess that's worth journaling. That's worth noting. Sometimes cutting your position early isn't always the best thing. Because after we did get this run on liquidity and then this huge displacement down, just all things considered, like the reason I took 3 attempts short is because I'm like, I really do think this looks like it wants to go lower now, and I think we have good reason to go lower because ES has those fucking lows that could start drawing toward. And yeah, so I guess that's a lesson that I'll have to make note of. I'll have to journal that down, but yeah. Take that for what it's worth, guys. Enjoy your Wednesday. Hopefully you're green.
Our trade sits at his desk, coffee in hand. The NASDAQ charts on his screen, he's in command. He's a day trader, chasing dollars and dreams. Using ICT concepts, he's got some tricks up his sleeves. From Fibonacci retracements to volume spread analysis, Tyler knows the smart money. He's gaining an advantage. He watches the market like a hawk in the sky. With every tick and every turn, he's catching the high. Running with the smart money, kicking up dust. Tyler trades a day trader you can trust. Dancing with the bulls, riding with the bears, making moves, taking risks, he's a millionaire. the bulls, riding with the bears, making moves, taking risks, he's a millionaire.